Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2018 Benelli Leoncino 500. I'm going to grab the camera and have a good look around the bike for you. Okay, let's go and have a close look at this Benelli. It is only a one owner bike from new. It is HPI clear. It's got a full government mileage check. It does come with a spare key as well. We'll have a good close look all around this bike. We'll look at the front first and work all the way around it. So I'll just have a look at the wheel at the right hand side. Look at the mud guard, just have a close up there. If you look there, fun fact of the day, Leoncino is Italian for lion cub. And it's got one on the front of the mud guard there. Let's get a good look at the front. All in good condition there. These do have the super bright LED headlight on this. The daytime running lights on as well. Also the LED indicators, which again are really bright. No one should be missing you indicating or miss you because of the light. Let's have a look over on the left hand side. As you'd expect, it comes standard with ABS on this. Let's get a look at the paintwork on this side. The tank looking really nice. They're a really good first big bike. These are really easy to manoeuvre, nice and light. Everything looking really clean under there. This has also got an additional top box on it. It's got the rack on the back that's been fitted with the top box. Let's have a look through here. Again, really clean under here. Got a nice tubular steel frame on this. It's also got the little paddock stand pegs on there, the little bobbins. Let's have a look round at the back. It all looks nice and neat at the back. Tyre looking good as well. Let's move round to the right hand side, get a good look at the seat. It's got a nice tank protector on there with the Italian flag on it. And you'll also notice the manual rear preload adjuster. That's really easy to set your preload before you're riding. Exhaust all looking really nice there. Nice attention to detail on that exhaust. Let's get a good look over on this side. Again, you've got the lion on the Benelli badge there. Everything looking really clean and tidy on the engine. So what we'll do now is we'll get a look up at the controls and get the exact mileage off it for you. Okay, let's take a look at the controls. So pretty standard layout. You've got your front brake, your kill switch, your hazards, you've got your starter on there, your throttle, and over on the other side we've got the clutch, lights, indicators, horn. You've got your little remote ABS switch there as well. Flick the dash on. This is a full LCD display dash on it. And look at the miles there. It's low mileage this, it's only done 2,102 miles. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything close up you want to see in particular, we can do that and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.